Sanibonani guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Mkosi Nophilile. Thank you so much for tuning in to the channel. You guys ngiyabonga kakhulu. Kanti mangabe umsha ngiyacela ukuthi subscribe, ulike i-video, uyishare you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please subscribe, like the video as well. Kubalekile ukuthi uyilike i-video ukwenzela ukuthi phela i-algorithm ihambe isilandela abantu abaningi. So mangabe uyalike uyasiza ukuthi ke i-video nayo ithunyelwe ihambe yolanda abantu abaningi to come and find us. You guys, thank you so much for doing that in advance. And ungakhohlwa ukuyishare video, uyisharele abanye kanti ke nokufaka i-notification bell, you guys. Thank you. So kule video guys ngizothanda ukuthi ngikhulume ngodaba luka SARS noma Mkhize ngoba kulo daba laphana bathi uSARS uye walanda umama Mkhize, you guys, wamlanda eDurban, wamlanda eGoli, wathi you know what girl uyasikolo into ekanjalo guys. Mkhize is in trouble with the taxman. Kanti ke kunodaba lapha ngingalibona futhi ngoZahara, udade uZahara ungasekho emhlabeni guys, kuthiwa uSARS is out here for Zahara's estate. I'm like how nabangasekhoyo kanti ke kodwa kukhona abaziyo ukuthi uSARS usebenza kanjani, whether umuntu usaphila noma akasaphili. Mangabe uyamkolota laba bakhona abasele bazosala bebona ukuthi benze njani. uSARS yena akadlali you guys. So lapha kunodaba bethi bona ke uMamkhize said to lose luxury cars worth millions to SARS. Angazi umama kusho ukuthi laphana ubeloke ngamkhokhelile uSARS and waseyamlanda yazini engadlaka nkotshana in my language. So now the reality TV television personality uSean Mamkhize siyazi wayegane kaMpisana umama manje uSean Mamkhize silapha kazi moja lesi story you guys. Bathe bona igama lakhe la ngempela uMabong Flora Junior Mpisane because kuthiwa basagane okusemthethweni benobaba uSibu Mpisane. So her real name has to have that Mpisane surname because they are still legally married. Okay, so Mabong Flora Junior Mpisane faces the risk of losing luxury vehicles valued at millions of rands. uSARS have applied for the execution application at the Pietermaritzburg High Court on the 9th of May to seize 13 wonke mntakababa luxury cars under a trust owned by Sean's brother uMelusi Siphelele Mkhize and her two nieces. Now curator Jaco Venter was appointed to conduct inspection at Sean's business premises into kanjalo guys. So now kuthiwa ke the luxury fleet at stake, you guys, the Royal AM owned by Ushandi Trust is in legal trouble due to an outstanding tax bill of nearly 38 million rands. The curator Venter visited Sean's luxury residence in Lelucia, Umhlanga, KwaZulu-Natal to confiscate the vehicles, which include a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Mangabe namagama emoto angwabizi kahle nkosi yami. Yo angizazi lezo moto ukuthi ezinjani, yazazi ezigama Mkhize. Sinamagama a different kuthiwa futhi lezi imoto zibiza ama-million nje. Mangabe nalelo gama libiza kahle, I'm sorry because angazi lutho ngeimoto ke mina. Kuthiwa again they were going to confiscate the vehicles, Porsche Urus or Urus, Mercedes Maybach, and two BMWs X6 and a BMW X5, among others. Lezo nje bazikhulumile lana, it's among others. Phela bafuna 13. Okay, according to her source, uSean and her son Andile Mpisane, who serves as the club's chairman, were not present at their La Lucia home when Venter, accompanied by uSARS security personnel, arrived. Unannounced legal documents that Uzimoja have seen were saved against Shande Trust, owned by two of Sean's nephews and her brother. Now uSARS officials also visited Sean's mansion in Sandton, Johannesburg, to serve her with documents for the attachment of additional movable assets. uSARS officials and the curator simultaneously arrived at both properties in Durban and Johannesburg to serve the Royal AM owners with the necessary court documents. Kuthiwa ke umama laphana bamfuna phansi phezulu, you guys, abadlali bamlande Durban, bamlande eGoli. Okay, now the standoff between curators and Mamkhize security kuthi umama bathole evimbile lapha. A source who knows who the Mpisane family said uSean had an army of her private security guards who prevented Venter and the security guards from entering her Sandton property. There was a standoff between the two security companies. Okay, leyo company nalega Mama Mkhize phela, you guys, yazi Mama Mkhize obviously in a security, you know. tight security, and the police were called in to quell what might have been a bloodbath. Now, she blocked the garage windows with the newspaper so that there would be no clear view, as a signal that she had been tipped off that USARS and the curator would be coming to attach and remove assets. Now, Ushon didn't care about the court order, and USARS official called the police to intervene. But another insider who is closer to both Ushon and her estranged husband, Mpisane, mentioned that Mpisane has lost everything while awaiting the completion of a divorce agreement. Now, Usbu stated he would pay double the amount she requested, and the case was postponed indefinitely. The insider stated, you guys, basebekhuluma ke lapha ukuthi basalokhu beshadile nobaba uMbisane abakahlukani ngokusemthethweni, you guys, so usase under the Mpisane into ekanjalo guys. So ngibone ke story lapha again on Twitter mangiloko ngihambile bekhuluma ngoZahara ukuthi ngabe kodwa lento kaSARS i-right ngempela, you guys, for them to be going after Zahara's estate. Udade sewalala nkosi yami, why bangayeki uZahara ayilalele? Abanye bathi hayi guys, noma ngabe nje ungasekho emhlabeni yazi ukuthi uSARS usebenza ngaleyo ndlela, you guys. Uma ngabe uyamkolota uSARS uzolanda okwakhe akadlali. So ngibone udade naye bekatrendile the other day bethi SARS is coming for Zahara's estate, you guys. Kunzima laphana, uSARS akadlali nabantu, ufuna lokho akufunayo into ekanjalo. So it's a sad story though, because I feel sorry ukuthi udade may they just let her rest. But anyways, njengoba kuthiwa kungumthetho, uSARS yena mela enze lokho amela kwenze, you guys, and get what you owe them. Mangaba usekho ke laba bakhona, they must make sure ukuthi they pay whatever. So istory ileso, you guys, eniphathele sona ukuthi uSARS umi ngenyawo, you guys, uqoqa ikoloto zakhe into kanjalo. So okay, yeah, I mean, it is what it is. SARS coming from Mkhize, and also ebeza for udade uZahara lo ongasekho, because abantu belokhu bebuzile ukuthi manje kungenziwa njani uSARS akayeke udade uZahara. But no, laba bakhona mabenza iplan, because uSARS yena akazi ukuyeka ukuqoqa lokamela ukuqoqa, you guys. Bengisathi ngibhekele so story lana ngisibonile going around about Zahara, SARS coming for Zahara's estate. Abantu belokhu bephikisene bethi guys, don't you know the law? Don't you know the law? If you owe SARS, you owe SARS. So SARS is gonna come for you, whether you are still alive or you are not. So yeah, man, you guys. So Mkhize la kuthi ngathi uthole i-tip off, wavele wamake sure ukuthi mabefika bazomfica ready ne-security yakhe, you guys. It's a pity I do not know ukuthi about Zahara's family, how did they handle that situation, you guys. You hayi ngeke kuningi bafowethu uSARS ulanda okungokwakhe, ulanda ikoloto zakhe ebantwini. That is the news that I have for you. I wanted to just make this story one because it is about uSARS. So both with Mkhize and udade uZahara, may her soul rest in peace, you guys. That is why lalela nkosi yami. So yeah, man, it is what it is. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Guys, okay, let me just mention that, but according to News 24, okay, according to News 24, that's where I saw the Zahara story. But uSARS saved Zahara with the final letter of demand, and now they are targeting her estate, her 3 million rand estate for that 3 million rand debt tax. So when I mentioned how much it is, you know, they are targeting her 3 million rand debt, you know. So again isona story lesi sikaZahara lapha silaphana ka MTN. Belokhu ngiscrolla ngisasifuna, you guys, bese ngithi ngiyashiya sase siyavela into ekanjalo. So ke I can't go through that, like I've already said ukuthi what are they saying about it. SARS saves Zahara with final letter of demand. They target her estate of 3 million rand. Other people saying, can they just let a girl rest into kanjalo? So it is just a whole lot. Zahara had an estate. This is someone and for someone to owe 3 million rand in tax, it means they had more than 100 rand as something like the income into kanjalo. There's people who are just discussing Zahara matter. Someone saying, and debts are supposed to be written off when someone dies. And then abantu belokhu bephendulile bethi, no guys, when you owe SARS, you owe SARS, those who are alive. So let us not go through that because we've already spoke about it. It's kuningi lapana concerning Zahara's estate and Mamkhize's estate. That is SARS coming for them. Uti uzoqoqa okungokwakhe. Wena show ufollow lapha ka comment section, we like video, subscribe, or share ne. Ukuze ungaphuthela the next videos coming, please put the notification bell on. Mangaba ka subscribe, make sure you subscribe. Like the video and then asihlangane njalo ku video elandelayo. Bye.